Number 1. 1983 Chevrolet four-wheel drive diesel pickup, $3,200. Eagle, Idaho. This 1983 Chevrolet four-wheel drive diesel truck features the well-known 6.2-liter diesel engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. These engines are respected for durability and fuel efficiency in classic utility trucks. The truck runs and drives but is described as rough, which is typical for a work-oriented long bed pickup of this era. With a clean title and under 100,000 miles showing, it represents an affordable entry into classic diesel four-wheel drive ownership, especially for buyers seeking a functional project or utility vehicle. Number 2. 1969 Ford F250 Camper Special, $3,900, Imperial, Missouri. This 1969 Ford F250 Camper Special is a desirable heavy-duty classic designed for towing and hauling. It is powered by a replacement 390 cubic inch V8 engine, a respected Ford big block known for strong torque. The automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive layout make it well-suited for cruising or light restoration work. The seller has completed several ignition and maintenance updates and includes new floor pans ready for installation. With a clean title and original camper special configuration, this truck is an excellent foundation for a vintage camper or classic utility build. Number 3. 1977 Ford Ranger F350 dually flatbed, $4,499, Sylmar, California. This 1977 Ford F350 Ranger dually is a classic heavy-duty work truck equipped with a 460 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. Dual rear wheels and a flat stake bed highlight its commercial roots, making it ideal for hauling or conversion projects. The truck runs and drives well, and recently received a new alternator and battery. With a clean title and approximately 99,000 miles showing, this is a solid example of a late 70s Ford built for strength and longevity. Number 4. 1985 Ford Ranger, $4,000, Morgan Hill, California. This 1985 Ford Ranger represents the early generation of compact American pickup trucks. Powered by a 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission, it offers simple mechanical design and ease of ownership. The truck runs but requires additional work and carries a salvage title, which should be considered by collectors. With relatively low mileage shown, new tires, recent brake work, and a hard camper shell installed, it is best suited as a light-duty classic project or utility truck, rather than a collector-grade restoration. Number 5. 1979 Toyota Pickup Truck Manual, $4,500, Portland, Oregon. This 1979 Toyota pickup is a highly desirable classic compact truck known for exceptional reliability. Equipped with a 4-cylinder gasoline engine and a manual transmission, it reflects Toyota's reputation for longevity and simplicity. With 72,000 miles, a clean title, new tires, and excellent overall condition, this truck stands out as a well-preserved example. Early Toyota pickups are increasingly collectible, making this a strong value for both enthusiasts and daily classic drivers. Number 6. 1987 Toyota Pickup Long Bed, $3,750, Lake County, California. This 1987 Toyota Pickup Long Bed is a rugged, high-mileage classic built for utility and durability. The 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission are proven to run reliably well past 200,000 miles. Suspension upgrades allow it to carry a truck camper, adding versatility. While cosmetic work is needed due to front-end disassembly and minor body damage, the truck runs well, is street legal, and has current registration, making it a practical classic workhorse or restoration candidate. Number 7. 1984 GMC 2500 pickup, $3,950, Canyon Country, California. This 1984 GMC 2500 3/4-ton truck is powered by a large 454 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering strong performance and towing capability. Featuring a long bed, 4-door cab, and 2-wheel drive, it offers a rare and highly functional configuration. The automatic transmission, recent fluid service, and excellent running condition make it immediately usable. With low mileage shown and a clean title, this GMC represents a powerful and comfortable classic truck with both collector and utility appeal. $1985 Chevrolet C10, $1,800, north of Seattle, Washington. This 1985 Chevrolet C10 is a budget-friendly classic pickup that runs and drives but requires mechanical attention. Equipped with a 4.3-liter V6 engine and automatic transmission, it reflects the final years of the square-body Chevrolet design, which is increasingly popular among collectors. With a clean title and straightforward mechanical layout, this truck is best suited for a hands-on buyer seeking an affordable entry into classic Chevrolet ownership or a custom-build project. Number 9. 1984 Nissan Datsun 720 4-wheel drive pickup, $3,500, Chico area, California. This 1984 Nissan Datsun 720 is a rust-free 4-wheel drive extra cab pickup with a 5-speed manual transmission. Known for their durability and compact off-road capability, these trucks are gaining recognition among classic Japanese vehicle enthusiasts. The truck fires up easily, all gauges function properly, and mechanical systems such as oil pressure and heating operate well. Although sold as a project with unknown emissions compliance, the clean title and solid condition make it a promising restoration or recreational vehicle. Number 10. 1986 Nissan 720 mini truck, $700, Lancaster, California. This 1986 Nissan 720 mini truck is a non-running project vehicle offered at a very low entry price. Featuring a 5-speed manual transmission and a high-mileage gasoline engine, it is best suited for restoration, parts, or custom modification. With a clean title and classic compact truck styling, this vehicle appeals to experienced builders looking for an inexpensive base. Its condition reflects its price, making it a true project rather than a turnkey classic. Number 11. 1980 Jeep J10 V8 short bed, $8,500, Marcola, Oregon. This 1980 Jeep J10 short bed is a rare and desirable full-size Jeep pickup equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. Purchased from the original owner's estate, it features bucket seats and a remarkably well-preserved bed floor. Jeep J-Series trucks are known for rugged construction and limited production numbers, increasing their collector value. With a clean title and excellent overall condition, this example stands out as a premium classic truck suitable for collectors or light restoration. Number 12. 1961 Jeep Willys pickup, $6,500, Montrose, Colorado. This 1961 Jeep Willys pickup is a vintage project truck featuring a 350 Chevrolet V8 engine conversion and an automatic transmission. The body is described as clean, and the vehicle spent most of its life in Colorado, which often helps preserve sheet metal. Although it does not currently run, extra parts are included, and delivery is available. Early Willys trucks are historically significant and increasingly collectible, making this a worthwhile project for enthusiasts seeking a unique and character-rich classic.